Welcome, chosen ones. If you're here, know that this moment isn't just chance, it's divine orchestration. The universe has been whispering to you, and now it calls you to pause and listen. What I'm about to reveal will change everything you thought you knew about your spiritual journey. This is your divine wake-up call, and it's time to answer. Type 77 in the comments to acknowledge this sacred connection and open your heart to the messages from heaven. You are standing at the precipice of something profound, an unseen battle that rages beyond the veil of ordinary perception. This is not merely a metaphorical conflict, but a spiritual reality that impacts your very essence. Heaven has paused for you, extending a lifeline that can pull you back from the edge of spiritual danger. Can you feel the urgency in the air? It's a vibration, a frequency that resonates with the core of who you are. This message is more than a warning. It's a clarion call to awaken your spirit and align with your divine purpose. In this moment, you might feel a stirring in your soul, a recognition that you are part of something far greater than yourself. You are a chosen one, a beacon of light in a world that often seems shrouded in darkness. And yet, even the brightest lights can flicker and wane. The urgency you feel is heaven's way of guiding you back to your true path, away from the shadows that threaten to dim your glow. Consider this: every choice you make, every thought you entertain, contributes to this unseen battle. The forces of light and darkness vie for your attention, your energy, your soul. Heaven's message is clear and unwavering: return to your center, fortify your spirit, and stand firm in the light. You are not alone in this journey. The universe is conspiring in your favor, aligning circumstances and events to support your spiritual growth. But you must be vigilant. The distractions of the world are many, each one a potential detour from your divine path. The call you hear now is heaven's urgent message, a reminder that your purpose is sacred and your journey is essential. Feel the power of this moment and let it awaken the warrior within. You are stronger than you realize, and your light is needed now more than ever. This is your moment, chosen one. Embrace it. Feel the energy of heaven wrapping around you, guiding you, strengthening you. The battle may be unseen, but your role in it is vital. Step forward with courage and conviction, and know that you are supported by forces beyond your comprehension. Type 77 in the comments to affirm your commitment to this path and to connect with others who share your journey. Imagine for a moment the profound depth of divine love. It is infinite, unyielding, and ever-present, a force that seeks to nurture and uplift you. Yet, in the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to drift away from this sacred connection, to let the noise drown out the whisper of divine love calling you back. God's love is loud enough to pierce through your distractions, a voice that rises above the chaos with clarity and purpose. It speaks to you in moments of quiet reflection, in the gentle rustle of leaves, in the comforting embrace of a loved one. But have you paused long enough to listen? Have you allowed yourself to be enveloped by the warmth of this love, to feel its presence guiding your every step? When you stray from the covenant you share with the divine, you risk spiritual adultery, a betrayal not just of God, but of yourself. This is not a condemnation, but a gentle reminder of the sacred promise you made, a pact to walk in alignment with love, light, and truth. It is human to err, to wander off the path, but divine love is ever patient, ever forgiving, always waiting to welcome you back with open arms. Recognize how small steps away from this covenant can lead to a chasm that feels insurmountable. A missed prayer, a moment of doubt, a choice that doesn't honor your highest self, each can be a step away from the divine. Yet each can also be a step back, a decision to return to the warmth and safety of divine love. Hear the call of divine love now, urging you to realign, to recommit to the sacred bond you share. Can you feel its pull, its gentle insistence? It is not here to judge or reprimand, but to remind you of who you truly are, a being of light, a vessel of love, a soul on a sacred journey. As you listen to this call, allow yourself to be vulnerable, to open your heart wide and let the divine love flow in. Feel its healing power, its ability to transform and renew. Let it wash over you, cleansing away the doubts and fears that have clouded your vision. This is your opportunity to return to the covenant, to honor the sacred promise you made to walk in unity with the divine. Embrace this moment, chosen one. Let divine love speak to your heart and guide you back to the truth of who you are. Remember, you are never alone in this journey. Heaven's love surrounds you, supports you, and calls you back to your rightful place in the universe. Type 77 in the comments to affirm your return to this divine covenant and to connect with your fellow travelers on this spiritual path. In the tapestry of your spiritual journey, every choice holds weight. Every decision shapes the fabric of your connection to the divine. It's in the subtle betrayals, the quiet compromises, where the foundation of your sacred relationship with God can be tested. Consider the gravity of covenant, the sacred bond that unites you with the infinite. Each moment of compromise, each instance of veering off course, can create cracks in this divine alliance. It's in the seemingly insignificant choices that the risk of distance from God's presence emerges, subtly pulling you away from the path of light. The cost of compromise isn't just external, it's internal as well. It's in the erosion of your inner peace, the dimming of your spiritual flame, that the true toll is felt. Yet, even in this realization, there lies the opportunity for redemption, for renewal, for a return to the sacred relationship that defines your existence. In acknowledging the cost of compromise, you reclaim your power. You recognize that every moment is a chance to realign with your divine purpose, to reaffirm your commitment to the path of light. It's in this awareness that you find the strength to navigate the challenges, to overcome the temptations, and to rebuild the sacred bond that sustains you. Feel the weight of your choices, the impact of your decisions on the tapestry of your spiritual journey. Embrace the responsibility that comes with being a chosen one, a beacon of light in a world that often succumbs to darkness. Know that the cost of compromise is not a condemnation, but a call to awaken, to realign, to reclaim the sacred relationship that defines your existence. As you reflect on the cost of compromise, let it be a catalyst for transformation. Let it ignite the fire of purpose within you, fueling your journey back to the divine. Reaffirm your commitment to the sacred bond you share with God, and know that in this reconnection lies the power to transcend, to rise above, and to embody the true essence of your divine nature. Type 77 in the comments to acknowledge the cost of compromise, to embrace the responsibility of being a chosen one, and to reaffirm your commitment to the sacred relationship that sustains you. In the vast expanse of the spiritual journey, not all betrayals are loud. Some are as subtle as a whisper, as gentle as a breeze, yet they hold the power to create a distance between you and the divine. These quiet betrayals, these silent drifts away from God, are the threads that, when left unattended, can unravel the fabric of your sacred connection. It's in the moments of complacency, of apathy, that the silent drift begins. It's in the small compromises, the overlooked transgressions, that the distance from God's presence widens. Yet it's also in these moments of quiet betrayal that the opportunity for introspection, for course correction emerges. Reflect on the whispers of your soul, the nudges of your spirit, guiding you back to the path of light. Listen to the subtle calls of divine love, urging you to realign, to recommit, to rebuild the bridge that connects you to the infinite. Understand that in these quiet betrayals lies the potential for growth, for transformation, for a deeper understanding of your divine nature. As you navigate the silent drift away from God, let it be a journey of self-discovery, of introspection, of awakening. Embrace the moments of stillness, of solitude, where the voice of your soul can be heard above the noise of the world. It's in these quiet moments that the truth of your existence, the purpose of your journey, becomes clear. Reconnect with the whispers of your spirit, the gentle reminders of your divine essence. Let them guide you back to the path of light, back to the presence of God that awaits with open arms. Know that in acknowledging the silent drift, in embracing the quiet betrayals, you reclaim your power, your purpose, and your place in the universe. Type 77 in the comments to affirm your commitment to listening to the whispers of your soul, to embracing the quiet betrayals, and to reconnecting with the divine presence that guides your every step. In the depths of your soul, a longing stirs, a yearning for connection, for intimacy with the divine. This is not a mere desire but a call, a beckoning from God Himself to draw near, to rekindle the flame of love that has flickered in the shadows of compromise. As you walk the road to redemption, know that it is not a path of shame or guilt, but one of transformation and renewal. God isn't exposing your faults to condemn you, but to invite you into a deeper relationship with Him. It's in the moments of repentance, of surrender, that the true beauty of redemption unfolds. Feel the weight of your past choices lift as you embrace the call to intimacy. Allow yourself to be vulnerable, to open your heart wide to the love that awaits. It's in this sacred space of connection that you will find healing, restoration, and a sense of purpose that transcends all earthly concerns. God's call to intimacy is not just for your benefit, but for the world around you. As you rekindle the flame of love within, you become a beacon of light, a source of inspiration for others on their own spiritual journey. Your redemption is not just personal but universal, a ripple effect that touches all who encounter your transformed spirit. Embrace this moment, chosen one. Feel the power of redemption coursing through your veins, igniting a fire of passion and purpose that can never be extinguished. Know that in returning to intimacy with God, you are stepping into your true self, the divinely appointed being you were always meant to be. Type 77 in the comments to affirm your commitment to the road to redemption, to embracing God's call to intimacy, and to sharing the light of your transformed spirit with the world. In the silence of your heart, a whisper echoes, a call to rebuild, to restore what was lost in the quiet betrayals and the subtle compromises. This is your moment of empowerment, a chance to reclaim your spiritual altar and reignite the fire that fuels your divine calling. As you step back into your power, remember that the altar within you is a sacred space, a place of connection with the divine. It's where you offer your prayers, your intentions, your deepest desires to God, and where He meets you with grace, love, and guidance. The act of rebuilding your altar is not just symbolic, but transformative, a tangible way to recommit to your spiritual journey and realign with your divine purpose. Feel the presence of God as you reconstruct your spiritual altar. Let His light illuminate every corner of your being, dispelling the shadows of doubt and fear. It's in this act of rebuilding that you reclaim your strength, your purpose, and your place in the universe. Know that the power to rebuild lies within you, waiting to be unleashed with a single act of faith. As you gather the stones of intention, the wood of devotion, and the fire of passion, feel the energy of creation flowing through you. You are not just rebuilding your altar, you are reconstructing your destiny, aligning with the divine plan that has always been written in the stars. Embrace this moment of empowerment, chosen one. Let the fire of transformation burn bright within you, lighting the way to a future filled with promise and purpose. As you rebuild your altar, know that you are not alone in this journey. The universe conspires in your favor, aligning events and circumstances to support your spiritual growth. Type 77 in the comments to affirm your commitment to stepping back into power, to rebuilding your spiritual altar, and to reigniting the fire of purpose within you. In the tapestry of your life, threads of redemption, empowerment, and restoration weave together to create a new beginning, a fresh chapter filled with promise, purpose, and divine grace. This is not just an ending but a new dawn, a rebirth of your spirit that heralds a future brighter than you could have imagined. As you embrace the gift of restoration, feel the weight of past burdens lift from your shoulders. It's in this moment of grace, of forgiveness, that the true essence of your being shines through. You are not defined by your mistakes, but by your capacity for growth, for transformation, for love. God's love surrounds you, enveloping you in a warm embrace that whispers of hope, of healing, of a future filled with possibility. As you step into this new beginning, know that you are guided by the hand of the divine, supported by the love of the universe, and empowered by the light that burns within you. Embrace this gift of restoration, chosen one. Let it be a beacon of light that guides your every step, a source of strength that sustains you through the challenges that lie ahead. As you walk the path of renewal, know that you are not walking alone, but in the company of angels, of spirits, of souls who have also answered the call to awaken. Your story isn't over, it's just beginning. Embrace the gift of restoration, the love that rebuilds, and the grace that rewrites your destiny. Feel the hope rise within you as you step into a future filled with promise and divine purpose. And remember, chosen one, your journey back home is not just for you, but for all who seek the light. Share this message of restoration with others. Like, comment, and share this video to spread the light and awaken those who are still searching for their spiritual potential. Let your journey inspire others to reclaim their power, rebuild their altars, and step into the new beginnings that await them. Chosen ones, as you reach the end of this spiritual journey, remember that your return to covenant has the power to inspire others. Your transformation, your redemption, your restoration are not just personal but universal, a ripple effect that can touch the lives of countless souls. Share the light that burns within you. Let it be a beacon of hope for those who are lost in the darkness, a source of strength for those who are weary on their journey. Your story is a testament to the power of faith, of love, of divine grace, and it has the potential to ignite a spark of awakening in the hearts of others. As you step into your true self, as you rebuild your altar, as you embrace the gift of restoration, know that you are not just a chosen one, but a chosen vessel of light. Your journey back home is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, the power of redemption, and the infinite love that guides us all. Like, comment, and share this message with others who are seeking hope, purpose, and transformation. Let your journey be a guiding light for those who are ready to awaken to their spiritual potential. And remember, chosen one, your divine appointment is not just for you, it's for all who are willing to listen, to learn, and to embrace the call of the universe. Type 77 in the comments to affirm your commitment to sharing the light, to spreading the message of hope, and to walking the path of divine purpose with courage and conviction. Embrace your journey back home, chosen one. The universe awaits your return with open arms, ready to guide you, support you, and love you every step of the way. You are not just a chosen one, you are a beacon of light, a warrior of love, and a vessel of divine grace. Step into your true self, share the light that burns within you, and awaken the world to the power of transformation that lies within us all.